Good morning. It's May 3rd, 2017. My name is Jim Whitley, and I'm going to share with you my morning notes. As always, be sure you're trading your plan. So here we have some of the mindset signals, for weekly and daily. Of note, the reason I really put this page up here on the video today is I wanted to show you that I went out flat at the close. Some folks say, well, that doesn't seem real productive, why wouldn't you just, sell your position and just wait for the morning? And the reason for that is you get these market moving events. In this case, Apple. Sometimes on on jobs reports you might do this too, but it gives you an opportunity to see what happens after hours in this case, or pre-market, that you might be able to capitalize on moves and reversals if they're wild enough. Anyway, let's take a look at the SPY chart. 237.93 is the low of the range. 239.17 is the high of the range. So we're kind of right in the middle of it here. You break down from the low, next thing you know, you're filling the gap. If you break out from the high here, we have potential for at least to go back to the highs, if not create new ones. So if we look at the IWM, it already filled that gap, and it's kind of double bottomed on it here now, trying to defend it. Should we, break down, that 137 area is going to be the second gap fill on that. QQQ, Qs have just been running along strong here. I made a note of the 5-day at 136.32. You do have a base right here, just slightly underneath that. The 11-day on it here still remains productive at 134.96. If we zoom in on the hourly, we can see that 22-hour low is at that 135.77 area, right around that base from the daily. IBB, the range high on biotech right now is 303.74. 320 would be the next area of interest if it's able to break that range. If we look at that on the daily, it remains productive at the around 294. The 22-day on it right now is 293.45. Energy, we've been talking about this. We got potential steps down here. We'll see if any of these can create any life back in energy. It's been just kind of down. Financials, I made a note of the range here that we're in at the moment. 22.89 being the low of it, 24.09 being the high of it. Our 22-day moving average comes in at 23.60 at the moment. Third attempt, 1, 2, and now 3. Third attempt here at this level on healthcare. The 11-day on that XLV is at 75 bucks, 75.01. So it's still pretty productive at that level with the fib support there too. If we look at consumer discretionary, we have a 22-hour low of it of 89.75. So still fairly productive there. So that's going to do it for this morning's morning notes. You can connect with me on Twitter and Facebook at Whitley Trading. Emails can be sent to jimwhitleytrading@gmail.com. And y'all have a fantastic day. I will catch up with you a little bit later.